Affiliate marketing is a straightforward online business model suitable for beginners, often referred to as affiliate marketing for dummies. In simple terms, it involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. This is done through unique affiliate links that track the traffic and sales generated by the affiliate. Choosing a niche. Begin by selecting a niche or industry that interests you. This could be anything from technology and health to beauty and fitness. Choosing a niche allows you to focus your efforts and target a specific audience. Researching affiliate programs. Explore various affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. Major affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a wide range of products and services. Joining these programs gives you access to affiliate links for promotion. Creating a platform. Establish an online presence through a blog, website, or social media platform. You can use website builders like WordPress or platforms like Blogger to create a simple and effective space for promoting affiliate products. Producing quality content. Content is crucial in affiliate marketing. Create valuable and relevant content that attracts your target audience. This can include blog posts, articles, reviews, or videos. The goal is to provide information that encourages visitors to click on your affiliate links. Inserting affiliate links. Integrate your affiliate links naturally within your content. When visitors click on these links and make a purchase or perform a specified action, you earn a commission. Be transparent with your audience about the use of affiliate links to build trust.